Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to recover recently deleted photos on your iPhone 16 Pro. So first let me show you how to delete a photo. Click on select on top and then select the pics. After that hit the delete icon. Now to find and recover those deleted photos, you can scroll down and keep scroll down until you get to the utilities section and tap on recently deleted. This folder is password protected, so it will require your Face ID or maybe passcode. Once you will tap on the album, you can see all the recently deleted photos. These pics will stay here for about 30 days, after which they are gonna get automatically permanently deleted. So this is a photo that I have just deleted. If I want to recover this photo, I will open the pic by tapping and click recover. A confirmation pop-up will be displayed. Tap on recover and that's it. You can see the photo in your photos again. I hope you liked the video. Please share and subscribe.